won!
Go hauling. What colour paint did you use, Fia? Zarug! Lovely red flowers. And gloss for grass. What colour shall we paint with next? Gurrum?
You've painted bluebells. Go hauling.
Good idea to use our cussa, Bláithín.
Cussa Prince and Lava Prince.
Go hauling a chorja.
The picture looks brilliant.
Huh?
Cadé seo.
A new mark.
It wasn't made by our lava.
Or by our cussa. It's nothing like the picture of the bluebells.
It doesn't look like Pip's love.
What type of lava or cussa would make a mark like this?
Could it be a squiggly snail trail? But snails are very slow. We would have seen it on the paw pair.
Whatever it is, it can't have gone far. Let's look for it.